What's up, everybody? This is Bill Svoboda here with Taste of the Twin Cities. I'm at one of my favorite breakfast places in Minneapolis, Minnesota, Hell's Kitchen. Now, they serve great breakfast, but they also serve great dinner, so let's check it out. We're bringing taste here. Now, they got the melting pot next door, they got Bombay Bistro, they got a Jimmy John's, you know, but they're right downstairs in the old Rossi's, so man, they got it set up to have a great event, so come on.
Feel the heat, pushing you to the side. Feel the heat, burning you up, ready and some like it hot and some sweat when the heat is on. Some feel the heat and decide that they can't go on. Some like it hot, but you can't tell how hot till you try.
Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm Jenna.
We're with Taste of the Twin Cities, sitting here at Hell's Kitchen behind a number of Hell's Kitchen's favorite dishes. Ready to break it down for you real quick.
All right, to start off, we have this giant caramel pecan roll, which is served on their breakfast menu all day long.
Right here, we have huevos rancheros. Eggs with a ton of Spanish favorites, topped with a homemade salsa. Right here, we have one of Hell's Kitchen's most popular dishes, the walleye BLT sandwich, with a side of sweet potato fries.
Oh, and don't forget about the toast that we have here, which if you order a side of toast, you get 3 different toppings, 2 jams, and 1 homemade peanut butter, which if you've ever had, it's to die for. In addition, some homemade ketchup and mustard for your sandwiches.
Well, food's getting cold. I'm starving. Jenna's starving. We're gonna eat. We'll see you at Taste.
Bye.
Feel the heat, pushing you to the side. Feel the heat, burning you up, ready and some like it hot and some sweat when the heat is on.
Their jelly is plate looking good.